Have you noticed an elderly parent or grandparent struggling to stand up, climb stairs, or walk without holding onto something? Weak-legged seniors are not just old. But here's the good news. Recent research shows that certain foods can significantly help older adults maintain stronger legs, better balance, and improved mobility. Today, I'll share 6 powerful foods that can help seniors strengthen their legs naturally, patient-style examples. And make sure you stay until the end, because food number 6 surprised researchers after helping seniors improve lower body function and reduce fall risk. The first food is eggs. Eggs are one of the best protein sources for aging muscles. Harvard researchers explain that after middle age, adults begin losing muscle every decade unless they combine protein with physical activity. Eggs contain high-quality protein, leucine, and amino acid vitamin D and B12 for nerve and muscle function. Margaret, 74, struggled to stand without help. Her doctor noticed she was eating mostly tea and toast for breakfast. After increasing her protein intake with Greek yogurt and light resistance exercises, improved her ability to walk independently over several months. Now, food alone didn't magically fix everything, but combined with movement, it supported muscle rebuilding. I know you are getting value from this video. This is Living Healthy with Cathy, your one-stop channel for health and wellness tips. Please let me know where you are watching me from. I read every comment. Thanks. Next is salmon and other fatty fish like sardines and mackerel. These fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support older adults. Researchers say omega-3s may help preserve muscle quality and mobility in older adults. Leg pain, muscle stiffness, slow walking, and weak balance. An 80-year-old retired teacher complained that her legs felt heavy. Her plan added salmon, hydration, and walking. Within weeks, she reported less stiffness and improved energy. Again, this wasn't a miracle cure, but the anti-inflammatory nutrients helped support mobility. Food number 3, nutrients helped support mobility. Greek yogurt and calcium-rich dairy foods. Many seniors focus only on bones. Muscle depend on calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. The National Institute on Aging explains that older adults need enough vitamins and minerals to support nerve movement. Greek yogurt is helpful because it contains protein, calcium, and potassium. A 69-year-old man frequently experienced leg cramps at night. After nutritional evaluation, doctors found his diet lacked calcium. Adding yogurt, milk, and more balanced meals reduced his cramps and improved his walking confidence. Number 4 is beans and lentils. These foods are powerful because they fiber, iron, magnesium, and slow-burning energy. Harvard experts recently emphasized that protein alone isn't enough. Older adults also need other nutrients that support muscle preservation. Beans help seniors maintain stable energy and healthier muscle. A diabetic senior in his 70s experienced weakness during short walks. His doctor replaced many processed foods, whole grains, and vegetables. After consistent healthy eating and exercise, he noticed better endurance and less fatigue in his legs. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are incredibly important for older legs. Why? Because they contain magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, antioxidants, muscle contractions, bone health, blood flow, and balance. Government health experts recommend foods to support healthy aging. A patient complained that her legs felt weak after standing only a few minutes. Her meals were mostly processed carbohydrates with very few vegetables. Adding greens, hydration, and light strength exercises gradually improved her stamina. Number 6, butter. A recent study found that older adults who regularly consumed butter improved lower body function and performed sit-to-stand movements faster. Researchers believe the benefits come from protein, healthy fats, magnesium. These nutrients support muscles. Choose natural peanut butter. Excess calories mean moderation matters. Let's quickly summarize what major research organizations are saying. Researchers from Harvard Health Publishing explain that muscle loss becomes more common with aging after age 50. Research according to Harvard Health, a 2025 meta-analysis involving nearly 21,000 adults found that combining protein intake with resistance exercise produced major improvements for their health. Leg strength, walking speed, mobility, and health. The National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases also recommends nutrient-dense foods and regular physical activity for healthy aging. I know you are getting value from this video. This is Living Healthy with Cathy, your one-stop channel for health and wellness tips. Please let me know where you are watching me from. I read every comment. Thanks. As we conclude, please note the biggest lesson is this. Even simple movements like chair stands, heel raises, light resistance bands can help maintain independence longer. If an older adult suddenly develops rapid leg weakness, severe swelling, numbness, loss of balance, frequent falls, please seek medical attention immediately. Sometimes weak legs can signal poor circulation, nerve problems, vitamin deficiencies, stroke risk. But improving nutrition early can help stay mobile, independent, and stronger for longer. If you found this video helpful, share it with a parent, grandparent, caregiver, or someone caring for an elderly loved one. Below, which of these foods do you already include in your meals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Living Healthy with Cathy for more health and wellness education designed to help families live stronger, healthier lives. Prioritizing your health is the best decision you can make. I hope these tips help you on your wellness journey. I will be seeing you in my next video, and it will be another interesting topic. See you then. Bye!